Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's section of exercise. Make yourself comfortable and relax. Pick your dumbbell. We are going to be exercising and focusing on the stomach, the side. Pick your dumbbell and we'll be twisting to the left and to the right. Twist to the left, twist to the right. And as you do this, make sure that your stomach is squeezed. Okay. Twist to the left, twist to the right. Twist to the left, and twist to the right. Make sure that your stomach is squeezed. This works very well for the stomach area and your arms as well. Continue twisting to the left, to the right. By now you start feeling some burning around your arms and in your stomach area. Oops! Oh my god, see who shows up. I actually thought she was watching her kids show upstairs. Anyways, I continued with my exercise. I'm not going to be distracted by my baby girl. You know guys, before now, I used to give excuses why I can't work out because once I wake up in the morning, the kids are already awake with me, so no time to sneak out and go and work out. But I've decided to be intentional about losing weight, so I make that time, no matter how small, to squeeze that time to do my workout. So even if my baby girl interrupts me, I will continue working out. So guys, with my workout body pacing around the place, I had to wrap up the section. Let's move on to the next exercise. Thank you. So guys, for this next exercise, sit on your chair, make yourself comfortable with your dumbbell. So open your legs like an open and close motion. Here comes my exercise body again. This exercise works for the stomach again. It works for the arms as well, and also the lats, the inner thighs. Keep going with the open and close motion. Your arms, your belly, and your inner thighs are burning by now. Yes. Take a rest. Look at my workout body playing with my yoga mat. Actually, she's good with yoga. Maybe one of these days she'll teach us some yoga. If you notice, I'm opening my arms so wide. The more you open your arms so wide, the more impact you have, the more effective it is, and the more burning you will feel in the arms. Alright, you can take a break. You've done great. So for this next exercise, we are going to be tapping our knees. Yes. And also squeezing in our belly. You tap your knees and try as much as possible to elevate your knees to touch your hands. Just like so. You're doing great. All right. Take some rest. Relax. So for this next exercise, we are going to be doing Russian twist. So with your dumbbell or with your sandbag if you don't have a dumbbell, or with your gallon of water, anything you have that is a bit weighty. You twist to the left and you twist to the right. This exercise targets the stomach, especially the love handles, the side fat. Twist to the left, you twist to the right. Continue doing like so. Here comes my exercise body again with her trike. Yes, she wanna help me. Yeah. Thumbs up. She's trying to get into conversation with me, whether I like it or not. Continue like so. By now you start feeling some burns on your love handles, the back area. Yes, it hurts. You're doing great. And that's my exercise body there with her trike. See her trying to get into conversation with me. Yeah, she's a storyteller. Yeah. So guys, this is the last wrap of today's exercise, targeting the stomach, the flabby arms, the thighs. You can do this exercise anywhere in your home, in your bedroom, in your living room, in your kitchen, anywhere you have space in your home. I prefer to work out in my kitchen because that's where I gain almost all the weight, eating too much. So I gotta burn it in the kitchen. Just kidding, guys. Just basically look for a space in your home that you're comfortable, that has spacious environment for you to do your mountain climbers. Lift your left and right, do as if you're marching like a soldier, more like you're climbing a mountain. That's what they call it, mountain climbers. Guys, you can see I'm super pumped. I'm going on a fast pace. We must burn this fat. The stomach, you see the stomach, we are going to burn the fat. You see the flabby arms, the thighs, we are going to burn it today. So that's why I'm going on a very fast pace. You can go on a fast pace if you want, or you can take it one day at a time, slowly. Just have fun. Just have fun with it. Yeah. okay, you can take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Relax and recover. Relax and recover. Then continue. By now you start feeling some pains, some burning around your arms, your stomach and your laps. So take a break, rest, recover. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.